You wouldn't know we're on the cusp of a major holiday just by looking at silver's price today, but there's a reason, and it's an exciting one. Today, silver exploded nearly 4%, topping out at $53.44, and right now it's holding above $53.34, over 3.5% up for the day. That's far outperforming gold, which only gained 0.78% to $32.30. Even platinum, usually a contender, is up only $37. It's been a wild ride, and we're just getting started. I want to give a huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Summit Metals, for making it easy to experience top-notch customer service while elevating your wealth. Check out their offerings through the link in the description below. Whether you're stacking for the long term or looking for something special, they've got you covered. Today's silver surge isn't just random luck. It comes as traders digest another busy day of US economic data, while many are preparing for the US Thanksgiving holiday. Markets are closing Thursday, and that could make this week a record for silver trading above $50 an ounce. Last week, I ran a poll during my live stream asking if we'd see $54 silver by Friday. We didn't quite make it, but the potential is there, and the momentum is real. Some numbers help explain why silver is outperforming today. Initial US jobless claims fell by 6,000 last week to 216,000, tying the lowest level since February. The Chicago Business Barometer for November fell sharply to 36.3, signaling contraction, while new orders for US durable goods rose 0.5%, exceeding expectations. Each of these signals plays into silver's rise. Strong industrial demand, combined with contracting economic sentiment, makes this shiny metal more attractive than gold in today's market. The gold to silver ratio has now dropped below 80, sitting at 78.2, and that's the tightest it's been in months. Could this mean silver is about to take another run? Possibly. But there's more to it than just numbers. There's also my own personal story today. I picked up some silver at my local coin shop for under spot price, and I'll show you exactly what I got in a minute. And later in this video, I'll reveal something I've done before that I believe is revolutionary for stacking silver, a strategy that anyone, even on a budget, can use to strengthen their core stack. For now, hang tight, because this ride is just starting. And the story of why silver is shining so brightly today is only going to get more intense as we dig deeper into the market, the numbers, and the opportunities waiting for smart investors. As traders prepared to step back for the Thanksgiving holiday, US economic data rolled in, reinforcing silver's upward momentum. While gold crept along, silver surged, reflecting both industrial demand and speculative interest. Jobless claims dropped 6,000 to 216,000 for the week ending November 22nd, tying the lowest level since February. At the same time, the Chicago Business Barometer fell sharply to 36.3, marking the 24th consecutive month below the neutral 50 threshold and signaling contraction. New orders for durable goods in September rose 0.5%, exceeding market expectations. Each of these data points hints at increased demand for silver in industrial applications while the economy contracts elsewhere. This combination of signals is tightening the gold to silver ratio, which now sits at 78.2, down from the long-standing hover around 80. Historically, a falling ratio often signals strength in silver relative to gold, reflecting both scarcity and industrial pressure. Traders watching the metals are increasingly recognizing that silver's recent surge is more than a holiday effect. It's a reflection of broader market dynamics. Interest rate sentiment remains another critical factor. Markets are pricing in an over 80% probability that the Federal Reserve will cut rates when policymakers meet on December 9th and 10th. Recent comments from New York Fed President John Williams and San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly, along with Fed Chair Jerome Powell's alignment, suggest a rate cut is likely despite concerns about inflation. A lower interest rate environment tends to weaken fiat currencies and bolster tangible assets like silver and gold. The dollar index is also worth watching. Currently sitting just below the critical 100 mark at 99.59, any further weakening can make silver even more attractive to investors seeking protection from inflation and currency risk. Meanwhile, oil prices have remained steady, up slightly at $58.60 per barrel, providing another subtle economic signal, but not the primary driver behind silver's surge. All of this shows a market environment where industrial demand, speculative activity, and macroeconomic signals are converging. Traders are not just chasing momentum. They're responding to a combination of tight supply, contracting economic sentiment, and a currency backdrop that favors real assets over paper. As silver continues to outperform gold, the opportunity for stacking now is significant, both for the seasoned investor and newcomers looking to protect and grow their wealth. Beyond market data, I want to share some personal silver buys that highlight the opportunities still available to stack at attractive prices. At my local coin shop, I managed to pick up a few coins for under spot, including 2 standing Liberty quarters and 1 winged Liberty dime, totaling 60 cents face value. The refineries are still overloaded, and this creates rare windows to acquire constitutional silver below spot. These coins are small, manageable, and ideal for building a versatile stack on a budget. Versatility is key in stacking silver. Not all silver is created equal, and holding a mix of types ensures both liquidity and long-term security. For example, Summit Metals offers limited edition pieces at a higher premium due to scarcity, and while the cost is higher, these coins add uniqueness and diversification to a stack. Even standard bullion coins like the American Eagle remain popular and widely recognized, providing both liquidity and reliability. The takeaway is clear. Diversify within your stack and hold each piece tightly, diamond fist style. That means protecting a core stack that you never sell, while optional silver can be used to trade or capitalize on market movements. Diamond fist isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a mindset. The markets can be volatile, paper assets can vanish, and inflation can erode value. But physical silver remains tangible, scarce, and enduring. Holding tightly through uncertainty ensures that you are prepared for any scenario, whether it's a market dip, supply crunch, or broader economic turbulence. Even as the holiday shopping season drives short-term market fluctuations, the long-term strategy is unaffected. Build a resilient stack of silver, hold the core tightly, and use opportunistic purchases to grow and diversify. This approach isn't about speculation, it's about preserving and enhancing wealth. Silver's recent price spike to over $53 an ounce, outperforming gold and other metals, reinforces the value of stacking wisely. By combining smart purchases at under-spot opportunities with premium pieces for long-term security, investors can create a silver portfolio that is both practical and powerful, capable of weathering market turbulence and providing tangible protection against inflation and systemic risks. As we approach the Thanksgiving holiday, it's important to pause and reflect on the opportunities and lessons the silver market has given us. Despite volatility and economic uncertainty, silver continues to prove its resilience and intrinsic value. The recent surge above $50 an ounce is not just a number. It's a signal that investors are increasingly recognizing silver as both a store of wealth and a hedge against inflation. While markets may close for the holiday, the fundamentals remain, and your strategy to hold and diversify your stack remains the key to long-term security. I want to encourage everyone watching to be thoughtful and intentional with their silver purchases. Whether acquiring constitutional silver under spot, standard bullion coins like American Eagles, or limited edition premium pieces, make each addition to your stack purposeful. Diamond Fist isn't just about holding, it's about building a position that can withstand market shocks while giving you confidence and flexibility. Small coins, larger bullion, and select premiums all play a role in creating a complete and secure silver portfolio. The holiday season is also a reminder of gratitude and perspective. Precious metals aren't just numbers on a screen. They are tangible, lasting assets that have endured throughout history. Holding physical silver ensures that no matter what happens in the paper markets or broader financial system, your wealth remains secure and within your control. Remember, markets may fluctuate, governments may print, and paper assets may fail, but physical silver endures. Finally, I want to thank all of you for being part of this community. Your engagement, questions, and dedication to smart investing make this journey worthwhile. Please continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out Summit Metals through the link in the description to explore unique silver pieces and take advantage of opportunities like the ones we've discussed today. Wishing everyone a safe, happy, and prosperous Thanksgiving. And remember, hold your silver tight, diversify your stack, and keep building wealth in ways that paper cannot touch. And that's a wrap for today, folks. Silver has proven yet again why it deserves a core spot in your stack. The surge above $53 isn't just a headline. It's a reminder that physical metals remain the real, tangible wealth that paper assets can't replicate. Whether it's constitutional silver, American Eagles, or premium rounds, the key is to hold what you can in your hands and protect your position with a diamond fist mindset. Remember, markets will pause for holidays, economies will wobble, and uncertainty will persist. But your physical metals will remain. This is more than investing. It's securing your wealth, your family's future, and your freedom from the fragility of paper finance. Every ounce you hold today is insurance against tomorrow's chaos. I want to extend my gratitude to everyone watching, supporting, and learning with the channel. Keep sharing your insights, asking questions, and growing your stack. Don't forget to check out Summit Metals for their unique silver offerings. Links are in the description. And make your moves while opportunities are still available. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and keep stacking smart. When the dust settles and the paper markets falter, those holding real physical silver will be the ones who watch the fireworks from a safe distance, not trapped inside the collapsing casino. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates, market insights, and practical advice to navigate the precious metals world. And from all of us here at Gold Rush Reporter, have a safe, happy, and prosperous Thanksgiving. Keep your hands strong, your stack secure, and your diamond fist ready.